Morning everyone. Today I am going to start the topic of Python operator. Previous lecture, so I have discussed about variable, Python keywords, data type, and comments in Python. So I hope everyone understood. Today I am going to start the topic of Python operators. Firstly, know what is Python operator. Operator are symbol. Operator are special symbol in Python. Okay, it is special symbol that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. Okay, that carry out arithmetic. That means minus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical computation. That means less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, that carry out the arithmetic and logical computation. The value that gets operated on called an operand. Okay, the value, the data gets operated on it called an operand, like 2, 3. Okay, here for example is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here 2 and 3 are operands. Operands, that means the value that gets operated on called an operands, like 2 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 2 and 3 are operands. The symbol of plus is known as operators. Okay, so I hope you have learned, understand what is operator. So you have keep in mind ki operator is a special symbol in Python. Okay, that carry out the arithmetic or logical computation. So I hope learn. So I have discussed here there are various type of operator used in Python. First is arithmetic, second assignment operator, third comparison operator. Okay, so one by one I have discussed about the operator. First is arithmetic operator. So you have studied in the maths arithmetic. Okay, arithmetic operator are used to perform mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so everyone learn what is arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator are used to perform the mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, okay, etc. Here operator and meaning and example. So first is addition. Addition, that means add two operands. Do you know the operands, like 2 plus 2 equal to 5, 2 plus 2 equal to 4. That means 2 and 2 are operand, and plus, that means operator. So add two operands. Additions operator are used to add two operands like 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next subtraction. Subtraction, that means subtract a right operand from the left. So do you know the minus? That means subtraction, subtract a right operand from the left operand, like 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Okay, third multiplication. Multiply two operands like 2 plus 2 equal to 4. Next division. Division, divide left operand by the right one, always result into float. Always result into float. Okay, so do you know the divisions? Divide the left operand, like left operand 8, 9, division 2. Okay, 2 4 the 8.5. Clear? So divide left operand by the right one, always result is into float. Float, that means the floating point, decimal point. Okay, next modulus. remainder of the division of left operand by the right remainder. That means, okay, remainder, that means here same example, 9 modulus 2, 2 4s are 8. Okay, remainder is 1 answer is modulus. Okay, next is floor division that return the largest integer less than or equal to quotient. Okay, that means 16, like example 16 divide 3. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Okay, and 1 0 3 3s are 9. Okay, that means, do you know, only floor division that return the largest integer less than or equal to quotient only answer is 3. Only answer is 3. Okay, no, it removes the decimal and round down value. next exponentiation power operator. Okay, it raises number the base on the left to the power another number, the exponent on the right of. That means print, like print brackets में 5 multiply 2. That means the rest of number the base on the left to the power. That means 5 into 5. Answer is 25. Okay, next topic, assignment operator. Here assignment operator are used to assign value to variable. It assign value to right side operand to the left side operands. Okay, example, a assignment operator 5, that means 5 assign a. Assignment operator used to assign a value to variable is a. Okay, equal to 5. That means it is assignment operator equal is assignment operator. Okay, variable is a, assign value 5. Okay, so I hope you have learned assignment operator. Assignment operator are used to assign a value to variable. Do you know the variable is the location of computer memory that holds the data or value. Okay, execute our programs, run our program. Okay, it assign a value right side operand to the left side operand. That means, okay, here is variable assign value 5 in a. Next, notes 5 equal to a in correct assignment statement, as the value are assigned from the right side to the left side. Okay, here keep in mind. Okay, assignment operator are used to assign value right side operand to the left side. Okay, example is a equal to 5. Okay, this statement assignment value 5 to variable a on left. Note that means incorrect, because it assign value right side operand to the left side. That means 5 equal to a. Okay, like this. That's why it is wrong according to the Python assignment operators. So everyone try to understand assignment operator. Okay, next comparison operator. Comparison operator are operator that compare the value either side the symbol depending on the operation. They check the two operands satisfy the given condition, then return either true or false based on the result. Comparison operator are operator. It is also operator that compare the value either side of the symbol. Okay, that means like 5 less than 10. Okay, value either side of the symbol depending on the operation. Okay, this check two operands here, two operands satisfy the given condition, then return the either true or false. 5 less than 10, yes. 5 less than 10, yes. Okay, its condition is true. So here we can comparison operator are used to check the condition less than, greater than, or equal to. Okay, so next here equal to, it check the value two operands are equal or not. If the value are equal, then the condition become true. Okay, then become like 15, like 15 equal to 15. Check it, check if the value two operands here, two operands here are the equal or not. If value are equal 15 or 15, then condition becomes true. Okay, output is false. Output is false. Both operand are equal. Okay, that means output is false. Next not equal, it check if the value two operands are equal or not. If value are not equal, then the condition become the true. X that means not equal, y, x here check that x equal to 8 and y assign 6. Okay, so x that means 8 not equal to 6. Check that if check the value two operands are equal or not. The value are not equal, then our condition become the true. Okay, it's not equal. Okay, condition is true. Here value is not equal, here value is not equal, that's why answer is true. Okay, next third here greater than. Do you know the greater? Check the whether the value of the left operands it greater than the value of right operands. If is condition evaluate the true. X great that means 8 and greater than y 6. Okay, that means 6. Answer is true. Clear? Answer is true. Next less than. X that means 8 and y that means 6. 8 less than 6 not, false. Answer is false. Clear? Greater than or equal to, that means 8 greater than or equal to 8 greater than or equal to 6. Yes, 8 is greater than 6. Yes, condition is true. Next less than or equal to, less than or equal to 8, less than or equal to 6, not, false, condition is false, answer is, output is false. So I hope you have learned comparison operator, equal to, not equal, greater than, less than, or equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So I hope everyone learn